I'm gonna stop you right there. You do a lot of talking about how the world occurs over here, and then at the same time, 1 foot in talking about how the world occurs over here. I just want my relationship to be where I can lay out, this is what it is, and we go forward. She says yes or no was the part you didn't say. I ask you why that doesn't happen. I'm just busy up doing other stuff. So if it's not a priority, if you're not ready to take it on, don't want to take it on, it's not that big of a deal, that's the real. Thank you, that's the real. I'm putting it off because I know it's going to be challenging work. When you get honest, then you can go deeper down the rabbit hole to get the shadow conversation that's there. What is it for you about challenging work? You're in a conversation for passion, relationship. Relationships are challenging work. Cool. He doesn't have a partner and looking at the challenging work of his own conversations to lead some shit. That this can go to the bed, Nick goes down. Cool. Leading some shit. This is a relationship. This is my village. This is how it goes. I'm going to take care of the fam, the kids, whoever I love, holding it down. It's challenging work. Cool. You want a relationship. You want a partner. You want feminine following you. It's going to be challenging work. Are you up for that, brother? That's what this space calls out. That's what we're here for. This is what you dial in for. Facts. It's going to be work.